Hello everyone, this is Cooking with Matthew. Today I'm going to be doing an Alabama Slammer. It's Kaneka dog. I got my ingredients over here. I'm fixing to show you what we got going on. I've got some butter, some Kaneka sausage. This is a cracked black pepper version. I got bell pepper, onion. I've got jalapenos here. I got egg wash there. We're going to be frying the jalapenos. I'm going to start off by putting me a little, well, that's actually margarine. I'm going to put me a little margarine over here. Let it start working this little magic. Go ahead and get it over here real good. Start putting my onions down. Bell peppers down. Probably gonna need all them bell peppers, and I'll do that in a breakfast dish tomorrow. Get that stuff. I'm gonna put me a little. We're gonna do some salt and pepper to taste. There we go. I got that going. So now. Wash my hands off a little bit. I'm going to go with my Kaneka sausage and go ahead and throw them on the grill. I've got my oil heating up. I've got actually a temperature gauge today. I bought this at Ace Hardware. These things are good with that way you know what your temperature is going to be. And I got my grease here. See where my grease is at. It's getting close. It's about 325. I'm looking for that 350 mark. But by the time I get through doing what I'm doing, it should be right temperature. So I'm gonna go get my jalapenos. Throw them straight in this egg wash. Straight in the egg wash with the jalapenos.
Here's the Ariana, man.
Alright, so I'm going to show you what this is looking like here. I got my egg wash there. I got my flour here. We're going to just go straight in there into the fryer. But I got a little, I'm hoping it, yeah. This little thing will shake off all the old excess powder. You don't want to put all that goop in your flour. So you don't want all that flour inside your oil because it'll mess it up pretty good. So what I'm going to do, I don't know where that thing's. I'm going to see if I can video this like this here. So I'm going to go straight into here from here. Coat them things real good. Go into this now. I'm going to try to shake off all the little excess flour. I'm trying to get better at this video. It's hard to do it all by yourself. So we're going to go over here to the fryer now. The temperature was pretty close where I needed it to be at. So I'm going to end up going in and getting the rest of these. This is more jalapenos than I need just for these two sandwiches. But I'm going to go ahead and fry some up. I'm going to do some, probably maybe to snack on them later. Or maybe put them on a salad or something. These things would be good on a salad too, guys. Like a garnish for a salad. Go ahead and get the rest of that floured up. I just put Old Bay in my flour. You can put, I just decided I wanted to try that seasoning in it. You can season it however you want to. I put a little Old Bay in these jalapenos though. Shake all the excess off. I'll go over here. Have one straggling over there. Wash my hands. So I'm going to get my little spatula here, start stirring this stuff around. Turn my sausages over a little bit. I love this little griddle here. This is made by Lodge. Like I said, if anybody working for Lodge is watching, y'all need to support my channel.
Really do. They really do.
I can do a little infomercial for you.
Can I get over here?
You can if you want.
This man cooking up for him. One of my best friends for years right here, Matthew Barnett. He cooking it up for me. I'm finna sample this cooking, man. I ain't seen him in a while, but he's one of my homeboys from way back. My brother from '98, right, bro?
Oh, yeah.
We've been getting in since then. Real good guy. I'm finna see if he can cook or not. First time tasting this cooking. We finna check it out and let y'all know.
I'm trying to find this little... There we go. I was looking for this. This is called a spider. I don't know where you get one of these, and it may not be what it's called on there. We always call them spider. It looks like a little spider web right there. Yeah. This is great for pulling stuff out of the fryer. You can cook these in the fried eddy too, though. I just enjoy this. My Lodge equipment. Like I said, this is a Lodge. It's a little cast iron that's got some. It's got like an enamel over it. You know, this looks a little better, and it's just a little prettier, really. I'm not really sure what exactly that enamel actually does, except protect it. You ain't got I can wash it in the dishwasher where you can't wash this cast iron stuff in the dishwasher. So that's a plus on that. I get these peppers and onions cooked up good. I may end up cutting them sausages a little bit to speed up the process on them. I can cut them right down like that. You can do this beforehand. It's just something I just now thought about. Because all this other stuff's coming together, and that's going to take a little longer. It's thicker. So I've got me another plate here. I'm going to put my fried jalapenos on. They're still working. I ain't got the color I quite want on them. They're getting close though. These babies are going to be good. Now I've got, for my cheese, I'm going to cut this down. I'll see what my temperature is. These things are very good to keep your, know where your temperature's at. We're still right around that 325 mark. I'd rather have been at 350, but it was getting there, and then I put that in there so it cooled it down a little bit. But I know I'm good. Anywhere between 325 and 350 is good for frying. I actually prefer 325 when I'm frying chicken because it doesn't overcook. You can cook it longer at the 325. Then versus 350, it'll get too dark sometimes on the outside. So I'm gonna get this and get me a little fork here. I'm going to show you guys what we got going on over here. So I got my sausage here, my peppers and onions. Got my jalapenos frying here. I'm going to flip this over now, this sausage. Let it go a little bit there. I got all that little goody stuff. I'm fixing to pull the jalapenos out. They're close to where I want them to be at. Yeah, they're getting good and golden brown. You can cut them thicker, thinner, however you want them. I cut them sort of medium. Some of them may be a little bit thick. I go ahead and cut that off now because they're done fried up. I'm going to fry. That's what it's looking like with them. We'll go ahead and clean as we go, get this stuff out of the way. Got my trash can here. Get that stuff out. Now my egg wash. This stuff right here I need to put in a container. I'm not going to use it all. If it'll fit in this little thing or not. I'm going to try jam this up and we'll do us a breakfast in the morning with this. stay tuned for a quick kitchen tip in the morning. Probably do an omelet with all this. I got it jammed in there. Don't know how, but I did. Alright, so I've also got my pimento cheese. One day I'll do a video to show you how to make some homemade pimento cheese. This is Ruth's Original. Get me a spoon for that. I'm going to do another little flip. Sausage one more time. Alright, so we're getting very close to being done here.
Really?
So I need to get me a tap here. I'm going to clean this little spot off here. And build my sandwich here.
Your homeboy?
Yeah, this will be your little tasting.
Appreciate it.
I've already got plates up here, okay?
I wasn't going to tell you, I didn't want to say nothing on camera, but I didn't want to say nothing on camera. It's my homeboy, y'all. My bad.
So I got my bread here. We got some little hoagie buns here. I'm going to actually move these back. I'm going to set these on top of the peppers and onion, put a little weight on it a little bit. So I'm going to just daub them out there. There's already a little bit of residue on there. It's going to flavor it up a little bit. We're just going to go there for a minute, toast the bun just for a second or two. Should be good and warm. Yeah, we're fixing to eat good.
Yeah, I like that. I like that, man.
Got some sweet onion, vitae, onion, Baby Ray's.
Baby Ray's, I want to get Baby Ray's.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get some Baby Ray's. Baby Ray's watching. Maybe they can jump on the channel too.
Yes sir, yes sir.
All this free advertising I'm doing for them.
I know what you mean.
Okay, so I got my bread toasted. I'm gonna go over here with this right here. I'm gonna come over here with some of these peppers and onions. We got some peppers and onions here.
Yes sir.
Then I'm gonna go over, drizzle it with some of this Sweet Baby's Ray's.
Yeah, it is looking delicious.
I'm gonna put a gob of this pimento cheese on top.
Mouth watering.
And then top it off,
Mouth watering.
I'm gonna put us a couple of these fried jalapenos on top.
Now look at that, y'all. That looks delicious. Look delicious.
There we go.
Look at that, man. It's the real deal.
Real deal Holyfield.
Real deal Holyfield. That look delicious.
There you go.
Right
That's
there.
a good game day dog.
That's what
for y'all.
it is.
For y'all gonna be watching college football next
War
week.
Eagle. War Damn Eagle.
There we
War
go.
Damn Eagle. Let's get it.
College game day.
That's what it is.
All right. Well, there's your sandwich.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
And that's gonna conclude the episode. If you like what you've seen, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and y'all have a blessed day.
Thank you. Thank you.